Hello. Welcome to my channel English with Rick. Unit 2. Review according to New Headway 5th edition. 1. Present simple, he, she, it. 2. The spelling of the third person singular. 3. Subject and object pronouns.
Present simple. He, she, it. The present simple expresses a fact which is always true, or true for a long time.
He comes from New Zealand. She works with her husband.
The present simple also expresses a habit or a routine.
He often goes to the gym. She walks her dog every day.
Positive. He lives in Hungary. Here are some examples.
He comes from New Zealand. He lives in Scotland. She earns $60,000 a year.
Negatives.
She doesn't live in Belgium. Here are some examples.
He doesn't have any children. She doesn't earn a lot of money. She doesn't want to be a teacher.
Yes/no questions and short answers.
Does he live in America?
Yes, he does.
Does she live in France?
No, she doesn't.
Here are some examples. Does she visit you often?
Yes, she does.
Does he like his new job?
No, he doesn't.
Does he work hard?
Yes, he does.
Information questions.
Where does he live? Here are some examples.
Where does he come from? What does she do in her free time? What does he teach?
The spelling of the third person singular.
Most verbs add s in the third person singular.
Where? Wears. Speak. Speaks. Live. Lives.
But go and do are different. They add es.
Go. Goes. Do. Does.
If the verb ends in s, sh, or ch, add es.
Finish. Finishes. Watch. Watches.
If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, the y changes to ies.
Fly. Flies. Study. Studies.
But if the verb ends in a vowel plus y, the y does not change.
Play. Plays.
Have is irregular.
Have. Has.
Here are some more examples.
Help. Helps. Pass. Passes. Catch. watches. Wash, washes. Tidy, tidies.
Subject and object pronouns.
Subject pronouns come before the verb.
He likes them. I love him. She wants it.
Object pronouns come after the verb.
He likes them. I love him. She wants it.
Here are some examples.
She reads horror stories every night. She loves them. He talks to his girlfriend every day. He misses her.
Thank you for your attention. See you next time.